Good morning or good afternoon, everyone. It's March. I don't even know what day it is. March, 20 something? 22nd? Yeah, 22nd, 2020. I'm here with my parents. Probably get this last bit of work done before, they're going to lock down the city. Pretty much, and non-essential people are not going to be prohibited to be traveling through and from, unless you got to go get like medicine and groceries and et cetera, et cetera. But, still trying to make the best of the situation. Staying trying to keep together, keep calm. Like I said before, my faith, just trusting in God. And, this too shall pass. You know what I mean? Despite all what people are saying, whether it's airborne or not, and et cetera, just got to stay focused and stay faithful and trust the Lord and know that we're going to be good. So anyway, all you guys who are affected by this, well, we all are, but I mean, who are suffering, going through any ailments, I'm praying for y'all. Hopefully you guys make a speedy recovery, and just pray that we all collaborate one another, be kind to one another, and get through this together, and hopefully as quickly as possible. So all right, back to what I'm going to be doing today. So today, I had ordered some parts that came in. I got my new throttle cable. I'm going to try to put this on today. I have the return hose that needs to be replaced, and I have my exhaust studs right here. So I have those things. So I'm going to try to, bag that out today. Replace this hose that's right here. Hopefully it's not too annoying to get to. Take care of that. And, probably put the exhaust studs on. Remove the old ones. Remove these rusty looking ones probably. And put on the new ones. I don't think I'm going to put on the exhaust hanger or whatever. Not exhaust hanger, the exhaust manifold. But we'll see how things play out. And I also got a wire connector, so I can recrimp that wire and try to connect this back. Like I said, I'm just going to try to button up a few things, just try to get it done as quickly as possible so I can get home before this whole lockdown type of thing. And I don't want to say lockdown because it sounds kind of weird to say lockdown, but pretty much the stay-at-home order is there. So before, you guys try to stay safe. I'm probably going to time-lapse a few things and get it done. Working on the E28. Let's go. Okay, so took out the old one. Here it is, as we talked about before. Had a big tear right here. That was, a split here. It's leaking, so I had to replace it. Got it. So now, I'm going to let's lube these up real quick. And then put it in there. And then keep on moving, baby. From now, it runs underneath there, so I don't know how much that. And we'll get to that when it's time. Okay, so return hose is in. Boom. Putting a little holder there and a little cup. You can keep the hose from flexing and moving around too much when you're driving. Keep it away from the heat, from melting it. And back there, that's one down. So now the whole cooling system is back in order, and we're good to go. I'm gonna probably look at this throttle cable and see how. That broke off. I'm gonna get it out, and feed it in. I see a little grommet there, so hopefully the new one can fit through there. I don't know how that goes, but we're gonna figure that out too. I'm probably trying to do that. Like I said, I'm just trying to, do as much as I can today. So whenever this whole virus thing is over with, I can just come and just do the fluids and get a new shifter and change that, and then take it from there and get the car finally running. I'm getting hyped about that, as I keep saying. Anyway, I'll check check in with you guys after. I'm gonna try to tackle the old beat up throttle cable. I figure you guys don't want to see a time lapse of that, so I'm gonna try this. Always wanted to try this. You guys ready? There it is, brand new. New throttle cable. Cool, that trick works. Alright, so hoses on, throttle cable on. I'm gonna try to do these studs. I have the brand new ones. I'm gonna try to, like, you know, seat them in there. Wish me luck with that. I was gonna do the double nut technique where you use the nut and then you kind of let it bleed out. Not bleed out. Use two nuts to give you that kind of surface so you can, like, tighten it. But it is what it is. But I'm gonna do that, and after that I might put on the throttle body housing that goes here and to secure that, and that's it. I don't want to, you know, complete everything, because at the end of the day, ain't doing nothing with it right now. So, all right, keep you guys posted. Alright guys, excuse the wind noise for now. I'm getting ready to wrap it up. I got a lot done today, I feel good. I put this back on. Didn't really have to. I could have OD'd and put the airbox back in and the little thing here. But I was like, you know what, it's not necessary. I'm not driving the car today or starting it, so I got to put the fluids in. I'm kind of wet. Alright, anyway. This was broken, like I said last time, and it's actually pulled off, so I'm not sure what they did. They tried to do some like JB Weld type of thing, and I wanted to figure something out with that because I don't want it to cause any problems with the car running. And obviously you can't really buy the throttle body brand new, so I might have to talk to you if I can look for an old one. As you already saw, I replaced the throttle cable. I put in the studs. Me being smart, I think I bought 8 of them. I'm missing one. I gotta find it, and I'm still missing 2 more. But good for me, I have some of the old ones that's still there, so I'm gonna utilize those, and I have some old ones that have like the nuts still attached in the car. So when I go to really put the exhaust on, I'm gonna take off the other 2, the 2 decent looking ones, and put them on there. So that should be good. Cooling is connected. Everything's done with cooling, and yeah, I was able to connect that wire down there, that little sensor, as you see the blue joint all the way down here. I was able to fix that and put that on. There's still that little thing that's hanging. I don't know where that goes per se. I don't know where it plugs into. That little wire that's at the bottom right there, dangling right down here. I can't see it. That wire down there. I gotta figure out where that goes, and everything else is pretty much wired up and connected. Yeah, so I'm happy about that. Like I said, after this whole virus thing dies down and we can move freely, then I'll come back here and finish up some things. I'm only a little upset because I was trying to bleed the clutch pedal, and the clutch pedal is still, it has some resistance, but it's not it's not really giving me that kind of bounce back or that stiffness in the pedal. And when I did the whole swap, I did it without, see the plate here, I kept the plate on, and it doesn't have like the helper spring that usually be back here that'll kind of push it back. Now you see it give me a little bit of, you know, feedback, but it's not coming back. So I'm not sure if it's because, you know, obviously that now that I put the clutch line in there, it's probably less fluid, so I need to probably fill up the system a little bit more, put some more fluid, and then maybe that with the back pressure will keep it from like not re-engaging. But if that's going to be that way, I might have to figure that out and probably buy that plate and actually drop the steering thing down and take it off and all that other crap that I didn't want to do. But we cross that bridge when the time comes. Yeah. Yeah, man. We're getting there. I'm happy. And this might be it for a while for me because of the whole lockdown. But working on the E28 is a stress relief, like I said before. And I just want to keep getting this thing done and keep moving forward. I appreciate the support for those who like my videos and, you know, and watch it. Thank you for that. I hope that you all stay safe. You know, try to stay healthy, protect your families, and God bless.